Hi guys, as promised, I said I will change the colour of the dress of this beautiful lady from Arrow, Felicity. So what we do is come down to the adjustment layer, hue and saturation, go to master, click on blues, get your picker, go to a fairly dark colour. There we go. Let's have a look. And go on the slider. So it's going from blue to green. Don't know, really know, goldy sort of colour. Purple. Let's click on that. And let's go down to, is that a magenta? I'll say yeah. Make it brighter. It's a bit too much. You can see it bleeding out down the bottom there. So it's easy as that, guys. There's before and after. Okay guys, have fun with it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Take care. Bye for now.